I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. This is a giant tub of black sweet cherries, and it's 10 pounds. Look at this giant bucket, right? How awesome is that? This is from Foodland, Ontario, and it's prepared by Cherry Lane Frozen Fruits. Now, that's located in Vineland Station. That's kind of near us here, and it's in the Niagara region. It's close to us. Also, Foodland, Ontario. If you want to get more information on Foodland, Ontario products, make sure you go check out ontario.ca/foodland, and it has all the information you want. Product. Now, needless to say, I don't have to say that it's a giant container. We made pies, we made turnovers, we did all kinds of awesome, tasty things with these. The cherries were amazing. We didn't find one in there with a pit, which is more than I can say for many brands that come in these jars and things like that. I don't know how many times we use those cherries and there's still pits in some of them. You could break your teeth like that. These had none. And so I'm proud of our little Niagara region here because we do a really great job on fruit. These were probably all grown here too. I wasn't mad at this. So make sure you go check them out online. Again, it's ontario.ca/foodland, or you can check out Cherry Lane Frozen Fruits, and I have a website for you for that as well. It is cherrylane.net. Make sure you go check them out, all right? So that's what I say about food, and that's what I say about Foodland, Ontario's black sweet cherries in a 10-pound bucket. Go get you some, all right? Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly and youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. And my site is cookingwithkimberly.com. That's it, that's all. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.